Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Tutor Talks. I'm Laura, your English guide.
And I'm Jack, your English buddy.
Today, we're going to talk about something every learner asks. How can I train my brain and mouth to speak English more fluently?
Yeah, you understand English when you read or listen, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank, right?
Exactly. Don't worry, we'll fix that today. So, grab your notebook and let's train your brain and your mouth together. Your brain learns languages through patterns, not grammar charts. That means you need to feed your brain with real English, short, simple, and repeated.
Like watching short English videos or listening to podcasts every day.
That's right. When you hear natural English daily, your brain starts predicting words automatically. It's like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
So instead of memorizing hundreds of words, I should hear them in real sentences.
Exactly. For example, instead of just learning go, hear phrases like go to work, go shopping, go out with friends. When your brain sees these together, it stores them as one package, ready to use anytime.
Okay, Laura, that helps the brain. But what about the mouth? Sometimes I know what to say, but can't pronounce it smoothly.
That's the next step, muscle memory. Your mouth needs exercise too, just like a singer or an athlete.
So my mouth needs a workout? Should I start doing tongue push-ups?
Not exactly, but yes, you need to speak out loud every day. Even 5 minutes of shadowing can make a huge difference.
Shadowing? What's that?
It means repeating what you hear instantly. Pick a short English clip, listen, and copy the speaker's voice, rhythm, and emotion.
Oh, so I just repeat what they say like a mirror.
Exactly. You're training your mouth to move like an English speaker's. It builds fluency, pronunciation, and confidence all at once. Now, let's put both together, brain plus mouth. Here's a simple daily routine for you. 1. Listen to a 2-minute English clip. 2. Repeat it out loud even if you make mistakes. 3. Then speak freely about the same topic for 1 minute in your own words.
So that's like a mini workout. Listening, repeating, then speaking.
Exactly. Do this every day and you'll feel your fluency growing, not just in your mind, but in your mouth too.
But Lara, what if I have no one to practice with?
Good question. You don't need a partner at first. You can talk to yourself.
You mean talk to myself like a crazy person?
Yes, a crazy fluent person. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I'm opening the door. I'm starting my laptop. Simple, but powerful.
That's actually fun. It keeps the brain active and mouth moving.
Exactly. English becomes part of your life, not just something you study. So remember, to speak English fluently, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice daily. Train your brain with listening and train your mouth with speaking.
And soon, English won't feel like a foreign language. It'll feel natural.
That's right. Keep practicing with us every week. And if you enjoyed today's lesson,
Hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
see you next time on Tutor Talks.
Bye for now.